Today's lesson will be perfect for you right-brain thinkers. The topic: HTML colors. HTML colors can be specified using color names, RGB or Hex Values. HTML supports 140 predefined color names. Let's try to use color names in our HTML. First, set the background color like this. Then you can set the color of the text like this. If you want to give your text a border, insert the following code. But you can be more detailed than just picking a color name. Using RGB or Hex, you have more than 16 million color possibilities. That means you can turn the color of this tomato from this to that. All you did was increase the amount of green. Now, let's learn about RGB values. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. Each parameter, red, green, and blue, defines the intensity of the color between 0 and 255. So if you need a real red's red, then set the red parameter to 255 and the other two colors to 0. But what about displaying black or white? To get black, all color parameters must be set to 0. Alternatively, to get white, all color parameters must be set to 255. By using different combinations of red, green, and blue, you have over 16 million color possibilities. And if you're trying to get gray, use equal values of all three color sources. Now let's learn about hexadecimal color values, or hex. The hex syntax starts with a hashtag followed by 6 characters. Just like the RGB color values, these characters represent red, green, and blue. But now they are hex numbers and go from 00 to FF. So to get red, set the value to the highest number, which is FF, and the other two to the lowest number, 00. See? There is also an extension of RGB color values with an alpha channel which specifies the opacity for a color. This is called RGBA. The alpha parameter is a number between 0.0, which is fully transparent, and 1.0, which is not transparent at all. And there you are. Now go out and add color to your HTML world.